This topic is choosing metric measurement units, and I do recommend that you watch a video that I have about the entire metric system before you do this topic, but these are going to be some examples about how we can choose the most appropriate unit in the metric system. So the top row, we have metric mass, which on Earth is the same thing as weight, but it's measuring how much matter is in an object. So we have a couple of units that we're going to look at here. The most common ones are the gram and the kilogram. A milligram would be more like something that you would use in like medicine, but a gram is about the mass of a paperclip, and a kilogram might be about the mass of a heavy textbook. A kilogram is 1,000 grams because the prefix kilo means 1,000. In the middle section here, the middle row, we have metric length. We have a millimeter, which it says is about the thickness of a dime. You could also think of it as the thickness of the tip of your pencil if you have a freshly sharpened pencil. A centimeter is about the width of a pen or the width of your pinky. A centimeter is 10 millimeters. 1 meter is about the length of a baseball bat. It's fairly close to the length of a yard. And 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Centi means 1/100th. And a kilometer is how far you can walk in about 10 minutes. A kilometer is approximately half of a mile, and a kilometer is exactly 1,000 meters. At the bottom, we have metric volume, which is how much space something takes up, and a milliliter is about 20 drops of water, and a liter is the volume of a large bottle of water. A liter is 1,000 milliliters. Using that information, let's look at some examples of choosing the correct units. A says the length of a new pencil is about, and then our choices are going to be millimeters, centimeters, meters, or kilometers. Meters and kilometers are obviously out. 18 millimeters would only be about 18 times the width of the tip of the pencil, which would be really, really, really tiny. 18 centimeters would be your appropriate unit. B says it took about 150 blank of water to fill the bathtub. This is volume. And our choices are milliliters or liters. Milliliters would be like 150 times 20 drops, which sounds like a lot of drops of water, but that's not very much water at all. So this unit would be liters. And C says Linda has a cellular phone. It has a mass of about 120 watt. And our units are going to either be grams or kilograms. 120 kilograms would be a very heavy cellular phone, so it would only be grams. Here's some more. To wash your car, Maria used 20 blank of water. You certainly would not use 20 milliliters of water. It would have to be liters. Austin's pet dog has a mass of 7 watt, and 7 grams would be like 7 paper clips. That would be one tiny pet dog, so it's going to be 7 kilograms. And the soccer field at the school is 100 watt in length, and our choices would be millimeters, centimeters, meters, or kilometers. Millimeters and centimeters are way too small. Kilometers would be way too big. 100 kilometers would be like the distance between cities, so the only appropriate unit would be 100 meters.